Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best climbing sticks for saddle hunting. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every kind of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. XOP Ultra Series Climbing Sticks. XOP offers a wide variety of climbing sticks, including a pivoting step, 2-step stick, a fixed step, 2-step stick, and a pivoting step, 3-step stick. For the purpose of this buying guide, we're going to look at the XOP Ultra Series Fixed Double-Step Sticks. XOP climbing sticks are constructed from 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum with heat-treated steel fast strap buttons that make hanging them quick, effortless, and safe. They also have a pivoting bracket system that follows the natural contour of the tree, and a patented arch step technology that forms to your boot for secure tree climbing. The V brackets have a deep standoff for more room between your boot and the tree. If you have ever used a climbing stick with a short standoff, you know how hard it is to comfortably climb when your toes are hitting the tree with each step. The XOP climbing sticks feature a unique slide lock technology that allows you to neatly stack them on top of each other or flush side to side for low-profile transport. The arch step design offers increased traction on crooked trees, and the pivoting XL standoff brackets ensure a solid mount. XOP sticks are crafted from powder-coated 6061 aluminum. Number 2. Hawk Helium Hunting Climbing Sticks. If you want longer tree climbers for hanging your stand or saddle, these aluminum sticks from Hawk reach a bit further than the ones included in their 4-pack above. Since these 3 sticks are a bit heftier, they weigh about 1.5 pounds more than the entire 4-pack. Considering each section is 10 inches longer than our previous recommendation, hunters can expect to reach heights over 20 feet when using an aider. I'd expect comparable heights with the 4-pack, but these will likely get you a skosh higher. Like the above-listed Heliums, you're getting sticks that compact together nicely, hang silently with the use of the Versa button, and provide excellent footing on the way up to the saddle or tree stand. Your decision between the two comes down to whether you want a 3 or a 4-pack. Shorter sticks are typically better for more crooked and challenging trees, whereas these will work best when you have more of a straight shot. If you're searching for a budget-friendly set of sticks for tree stands, saddles, and mobile hunting, these are some of the best you'll find for the money. Number 3. XOP-XTREME Single Rotating Hunting Climbing. If you're looking for some sticks that give the lone wolves a run for their money, XOP's 3 steps fit the bill. At 34 inches aluminum, they're a touch longer than the lone wolves but weigh a bit more at 3.2 pounds apiece. Like the lone wolves, they utilize a single-step system, so if you like to keep both feet at the same level, these might be for you. Thanks to their patented arch step technology that digs into your boot, you'll have very secure footing as you climb. These also pack together quite well and will help keep you mobile and quiet as you dip and dodge through the forest, searching for your next freeze or filler. They also come with a deeper standoff bracket to help give your feet more room between the step itself and the tree. With a 350-pound weight limit, these are rated to hold 50 pounds more than the lone wolves. Their Loctite stacking system technology ensures these will stay quiet and easy to travel with and doesn't require straps to keep them secure. In all, if you want a quiet, far-reaching, and stable tree climbing system, the XOP 3 steps check off all the boxes. Number 4. River's Edge Bigfoot Grip Stick. The River's Edge Grip Stick is a solid stick and our choice for the best cheap climbing sticks. This is a no-frills climbing stick with a very simple design that flat-out works. As you can see in the photo, it is a welded design with no bolts or parts of any kind that can loosen or fail and make noise. Each step is 11 inches across, which is plenty of room to have both feet on one step, and is covered with a non-slip coating for a secure grip. 2 steps at every level make climbing in and out of your stand easier and safer than one-footed alternatives, especially convenient for hanging your stand noiseless strap attachment. Looped straps fits over a ram horn-shaped receiver, eliminating the noise of metal-on-metal contact. Each stick is 32 inches long with 15 inches between steps and carries a weight rating of 300 pounds. The welded design is nice, but it does limit your tree selection to different trees that are fairly straight. They are also heavy at 4 pounds each, but they do nest together nicely. Number 5. XOP-XTREME Outdoor Products Climbing Sticks. XOP climbing sticks and tree stands are very similar to lone wolf hunting products, and here's why. XOP stands for Extreme Outdoor Products, and the company was started by the original founder of Lone Wolf Products. He sold Lone Wolf, and when the patents were up and the non-compete period was over, he founded XOP and began making similar products. The big difference? Lone Wolf climbing sticks and tree stands are made in the USA and XOP products are made in China. XOP has designed some really awesome products, but we prefer products made in the USA when we can get them. Now you know the backstory? Let's take a look at the XOP climbing stick set. XOP climbing sticks are constructed from 6061 aircraft-grade aluminum with heat-treated steel fast strap buttons that make hanging them quick, effortless, and safe. They also have a pivoting bracket system that follows the natural contour of the tree and a patented arch step technology that forms to your boot for secure tree climbing. The V-brackets have a deep standoff for more room between your boot and the tree. If you have ever used a climbing stick with a short standoff, you know how hard it is to comfortably climb when your toes are hitting the tree with each step. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.